Japan's cafes are replacing disposable cups with edible biscuit cups to reduce waste and promote sustainability. In some innovative Japanese cafes, coffee is served in a unique, edible cup made of biscuit-like dough. These cups are not only delicious but also eco-friendly, as they eliminate the need for paper or plastic waste. Strong enough to hold hot liquids, these edible cups are crunchy and sweet, providing an extra treat alongside your coffee. Once you finish your drink, you can simply eat the cup, leaving no waste behind. This clever idea helps reduce the environmental impact of disposable cups while offering a fun and tasty experience for coffee lovers. The best part is that you get both your caffeine fix and a snack for the same price, making it a win-win for both the environment and your taste buds. With sustainability becoming increasingly important, this edible cup is a creative solution for a more eco-conscious future.